Did you know you can make money online without an investment? No? So let me tell you how. Hey everyone, this is Usama from withintheflow.com, and today I'll teach you people 5 easy ways to make money online without investing any money. Making money online for free or without any investment sounds like a myth and hoax. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First way is to make money online by selling. It sounds too good to be true, but you can make money online by selling actual products with zero investment. All you need is a design to print on products and you can sell them for high profits. This process is called print on demand. Curious to know how it works? Let me explain it to you. First, you need to sign up for any print on demand marketplace like Redbubble, CafePress, Zazzle, and Spreadshirt. Then you need to create a design and submit it on the website. After that, select a product you want to sell and then set the price. You can check the base price and set your selling price. The profit will be the amount that remains after deducting the base price. It doesn't matter if you do not know graphic designing. You can easily make beautiful designs from Canva, that is a free online designing site. Second is make money online by walking. Making money online by walking? Are you serious? I know you people will be thinking that I'm joking right now, but I'm not. Sweetcoin is an activity tracker that motivates people to walk by giving incentives for every step. It provides 1 coin for every 1,000 steps. All you have to do is collect those coins and then you can use them as a real currency to purchase fitness gears. Third is to make money online by listening music. You are going to love this free money making option if you like to discover new music. Just listen to the music and give your honest opinion. Slice the Pie is the platform that offers the paid reviews. You just need to sign up, start listening to different brands or artists, give authentic reviews, and start receiving money. The payment is varied on the quality of the reviews. The more detailed and authentic review means more money. You can withdraw the money once the earning reaches $10. If you are a photography freak and loves to take breathtaking photos, the next option is perfect for you. Fourth way is to make money online for free by selling photos. The best way for photographers to earn money online is by selling their photographs. There are several stock photo websites where you can make a commission by selling your photos. There are few websites like Shutterstock, Get Images, Alamy, and iStock Photos that provides up to 50% commission on selling your photograph. Fifth and final is make money online with your writing. It is said if you are good at something, then don't do it for free. So if you are a good writer and have amazing writing skills, then this option is best for you. Every day, hundreds and thousands of people look out for quality writers to get their work done in a good time. So platforms like Upwork, Countana, TextBroker, People Per Hour, and iWriter allows one to get paid for what you write depending upon the rates you decide. So, these were the 5 amazing ways to make money online without investing any money. Also, if you know any other ways to earn money online without spending any money, then let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as there are more amazing and interesting videos coming up on your way. Till then, it's a goodbye.